Why is decimal 0 greater than 9999.0 true in Python? This is somehow related to my question why is 0 true in Python? In Python 2.6.4. From the answer to my original question, I understand that when comparing objects of different types in Python 2.x, the types are ordered by their name. But in this case, why is decimal 0, 9999.0 equals true then?
Because the decimal module does not compare against any type except long, int, and decimal. In all other cases, decimal silently returns the not something it knows about object as greater. You can see this behavior in the _convert_other function of decimal.py. Silly decimal class. Oh, see this URL as well. So, here is what happens. The interpreter calls the decimal._gt_ comparison function, decimal._gt_ calls decimal._convert_other to convert the incoming float to a decimal. Decimal._convert_other doesn't understand floats. The implementation down in decimal._convert_other explicitly checks for long, int, and decimal types of the operand. Yes, this is a bug in that unexpected library implementations cause bugs further down the line. It would be cleaner to do the right thing or even just throw a type exception. Instead, it throws the same note implemented that would happen comparing a decimal to, say, a hash of employee records. A few other comparison operations are tried. Comparison gives up. The default comparison down in Python's object/object.c/default_3way_compare get called in Python 3. This rightly buffs. In Python 2, it compares the ID functions. On Windows, a case-insensitive comparison is used, sort of. On modern systems, a case-sensitive comparison is used, so you get different results. Are we there yet?
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.